Once again, welcome to the new video. Let's start the topic. The video is start content creation journey. So for people are lot of confusion. How to start a content creation journey? And alright, hey everyone, welcome for my channel. We have the starting for content creation journey, but don't know how to go to be viewers. You are in the right place. Let's kick off our your journey today. First of all, one thing. Just need this one thing. That is equal to consistency. That is the most important for the content creation journey. You will not be consistent in content creation journey. You will never grow. Second, why most people are confused with that. Most people overthinking which camera should buy, which topic is best, what if nobody watching. But the real problem is way to go to be perfect instead of starting messy. The content creation journey തുടങ്ങിയാണ് നിങ്ങളൊരു വെയിറ്റ് ചെയ്യും ജസ്റ്റ് സ്റ്റാർട്ട് മാൻ നല്ലൊരു ക്യാമറ ഇല്ല നല്ലൊരു ഫോൺ ഇല്ല നല്ലൊരു എക്യുപ്മെന്റ്സ് ഇല്ല നല്ലൊരു ഫാൻസി എക്സിൽ സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ഇൻ content creation journey today. First of all, simple rule. Starting is the key. And the third thing, that is actually how overcome fear in front of the camera. Over time, I am recommending to Ali Abdaal video. Put in the description, you just see the video. Your fear is a normal man. Everyone feels it, but it's the only way to overcome it. To start it, start the first step of the content creation journey. Fourth thing, tools for starting content creation journey. Just you need like phone, editing apps like in phone, CapCut, InShot, VN video editor. You should start in the PC like Zeros or Mapper. As your thumbnail design tools, the free software is Canva. The paid software is Adobe Photoshop. You editing the phone, Pixar, or anything you want. You just research and then edit it. Next is content idea tools for both your Instagram or YouTube. That is video and to budding tool for your own journey to start content creation. The last fifth point is checking the description. I have do 2 points in description. Just write down your notepad. So you are ready to start. Comment below. I am starting today. And if you are confused, don't worry man. Subscribe to channel because I am going to guide you step by step through this journey. First of all, one thing I am saying. You don't have to get great to start. But you have to start becoming great. Let's grow, learn and win together man. Thank you for the watching and this video. See you on the next one.